Welcome back. What is important, children's safety or religious sentiments? The tussle continues at Kurchade. Kurchade Sanskriti Bachao Manch affirmed that they will not allow construction of compound wall for Chandrabaga Tukoba Naik school in their area. A meeting held on Sunday to resolve the issue could not arrive at any concrete decision. Kurchade MLA Nilesh Cabral says that security of children is important, but he does not want to hurt religious sentiments.
आणि आमच्या जाणटेल्याला अपमान जाता आणि आमच्या जाणटेल्या समज ती संस्कृती नसता जाल्यार आमच्या इस्कॉलाचेर तर भर दिवपाची आमकां गरज ना आमकां जाय आमची संस्कृती फाल्यां आमची भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय बानू बाप्पा नाचपाक कळपाक जाय हांगा आजो आपल्या दोन खेळटालो हे जर नाचपाक कळपाक जाय तो मान जिवन करपाक जाय संस्कृती जिवन करपाक जाय होळी करपाक जाय आनी सगळें करपाक जाय आमकां इस्कॉलाची दोन इम्पॉर्टंट ना.
आज जे घटना जाल्ली आहा गोंयांत जे एक स्कुलाचेर चलयेचेर बलात्कार जाल्लो आसा तेन्ना ते घटनेक लागून सरकारान सगळे स्कुलाक सिक्युरिटी करची म्हूण हे स्कुलाक सिक्युरिटी जावपाक जाय म्हूण आशिल्लें पूण तितूंत कितें जाला की लोकांचो विरोध आसा पूण म्हजें एक आसा की जे स्कुलाचे भुरग्यांक सिक्युरिटी करपाची आसा ती नजरेन धरून गांवचे प्रॉब्लमा एकठांय करून ताका कितें तरी एक वाटकुळी काडून आमी सोल्युशन काडपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो.
आमी आमदार सांगलें सोल्युशन कशेंय जावपाना कित्याक गांवांत तर तें सोल्युशन जातलें जाल्यार एक तर इस्कॉल शिफ्ट करचें पडटलें नाल्यार आमकां गांव तो सोडून वयचो पडटलो. हे दोन गोश्टीचेर आमी आमदाराक साम ठाम निर्णय सांगलो की तें दुरीक जावपाना तें कंपाउंड वॉल आनी अदर स्ट्रक्चर ते आनी कितें बिल्डींग बांदपाक सोदतात तें कांयच जावपाना आनी जाल्यार हेज्या दिसा जालें जाल्यार आमी तेजे मुखार आमी कोर्टाक हेजें तेजें हाय एक्शन आमी खूब घेतलें आनी गांवचे लोक सगळे रस्त्यार येतले हें सामकें आयज थल्ले कडेन आसा.
Dempo Sports Club beat Salgaoncar Football Club 2-1 in an I-League match on Sunday. The match is held at Tilak Maidan in Vasco. Dempo were without a win in the last 9 matches of this season's I-League campaign. Have a look. With summer season at its peak, farms in Konkan have a maximum variety of fruits to offer. Konkan Fruit Festival has it all. The concluding day of the festival in Margao on Sunday saw the soursop fruit as a special attraction. The fruit helps in fighting cancer. Festival displayed various other unique and special fruits from Konkan, including hybrid ones. The 3-day fruit festival concluded on Sunday. Here are some of the glimpses.
To promote the fruits of the Konkan in terms of awareness, in terms of availability, in terms of knowledge and skills to grow these fruits, to ripen them, and to consume them. These are all healthy fruits of the summer season that we all grow up eating, and many of the next generation do not know about because we ourselves do not eat them anymore. Down the line, we have found that there are some fruits that can cure cancer, like the soursop, Annona muricata, that we know locally as pakponos. Both the fruit and the leaves are used for the cure, and this has been documented the world over.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.